Do you want to know how you can search using your voice in Bing? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can search using your voice in Bing. Sometimes you're way too irritated and you don't want to chat or you don't want to type in your questions. So there's the option of voice search in Bing. You can use it and you no longer need to write down the questions. So go ahead and open Bing, which is on your phone. Now to search using your voice, you can go to Copilot, tap on Copilot, and you can see the microphone option. Tap on the microphone option, ask Bing whatever you want, and it will be auto typed and you can get the response in either text or you can click the volume button and then you can listen to your answers. So it's quite simple, guys. All you need to do is open Bing, go to Copilot, tap on the chat settings. After you tap on chat, you can see that there's option of microphone. Tap on microphone. What is the capital of America? You can see that the Copilot is working and it has presented me the capital of America.
The United States.
This was a video on how you can search using your voice on Bing. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.